Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Volkswagen Golf, stock number 6633. This ran from the 12th 2012 to the 3rd 2017. It has a CRBC 2 litre turbo diesel engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a CRBC 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front 17-inch fat gallon maggot tyre, front bonnet no dents, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 17-inch fat gallon maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch fat gallon maggot tyre, right front guard, right front door mirror, right front headlight, right front 17-inch fat gallon maggot tyre, right front door card, back front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen, sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front curtains light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.